Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video. I'm sorry I said I was going to do a not polished video today, but I have to do this Madam Glam video because it's a new collection. I meant to upload this yesterday. I got totally sidetracked when my not polished order arrived, but I tell you what, this one is going to be equally as good because I've got some new gel polishes to show you. I've already done another not polished set today as well actually, which I'm quite excited about because I quite like it. So anyway, right, Madam Glam have got a new collection. It's the Made in Colour collection and there are 6 colours and they are bloody beautiful. The names are really good. So there's 6 colours in this collection. All the gel polishes in this collection, let me just grab one because I will forget and I'll miss something. So they're vegan, cruelty free, they've got a 9-free formula and they're now HEMA free, which is brilliant news because lots of people say, are they HEMA free? Yes, they are. I don't know if it's just these ones or if it's the older ones as well, but yeah, these ones are definitely HEMA free. They've got a really cute shimmery sparkle through them. I think it's slightly holographic, but at the very end of this video I do show you I'm going to do a set of nails. Actually, I'm going to put, this one's burlesque by the way, this is the red one. I'm going to put the timestamp at the bottom here so you can find out when I'm doing the set of nails. So if you don't want to see all the colours, you can scroll to the design. So I'm going to swatch them all, and then on top of I'm going to do 2 coats, and then I'm going to put Madam Glam's No Wipe Top Gel. This next one is called the Beep Is Back. Beep 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 beep. So I've done my own voice, not my own voice. I've done my own sound effects then. So this is an orangey one. Again, it's got a gorgeous holographic shimmer through it. So I'm doing 2 coats here. I do cure that first coat in the LED lamp for 30 seconds. I'm using the Madam Glam, I'm sure it's called a holly lamp. It's the one with a pretty pattern on it. I'm using that one at the moment. Then the next one is called Slay Every Day. And this is the yellow one. I really like this one. Can you see the shimmer? Oh, I love these so much. They also do polygel, Made in Colour polygels as well. So there's 6 polygels and they sent me 2, so I'm going to show you the 2 that they sent me. Again, they're very nice. They are colour changing ones, like thermo, you know, like they change colour in heat and cold, hot and cold even. Oh, that's the yellow one. Oh, I love the yellow one. This is the green one and it's called Raw or Raw. Just say it however you want. And this is the green one. Gotta catch 'em all. We've been playing Pokemon. Pokemon Go. We've been catching Pokemons. So yeah. So I've got that Pokemon song in my head. This is the green. And then we're going to go on with the No Wipe Top Gel. Look how shiny that is. Put that in the lamp. And then we're going to move on to the next one. And this is the blue one. And it's called No Hate. We need that right now in the world. We need no hate. There's too much going on. There we go. This is a really nice one as well. Oh, could you imagine this one? They're almost slightly on the sheer side. So you might need 3 coats, maybe. I don't know. But I'll show you how I've used them in a minute. So that's the blue one. They're literally rainbow colours. You know that poem, I don't know what you call it. Richard of York gave battle in vain. So there's like red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and like indigo. No, violet. Sorry, indigo. What? Also really like the name of this one. Bend and Snap. Reminds me of Legally Blonde. They do the bend and snap. Yeah, I love it. I love purple so much. Look at this colour though. And I love the shimmer in it. It's really nice. Pop that in the lamp for 30 seconds. And then I'm going to quickly show you the polygels. Oh, actually, I'm going to show you the colours all together because they look well nice all together. Proper rainbow. Here we go. This is all of the 6 colours. Aren't they nice though? Oh my god. I'm going to show you at the end. I'll show you the shimmer better through them. But yeah, 6 in the collection. Made in Colour. Perfect. Okay, so the polygels. I got sent 2 polygels. I got one called Sugar and Spice and one called Finger Snap. Now this one is, I'm going to show you this one first. So it's polygel, Sugar and Spice, Madam Glam, obviously, polygel, yep. Now they come sealed, they've got this seal on. If you don't have this seal on, then you know you want to get in contact with them, because it should have the seal on, which means it's new and unused. So look, this one's red. Oh, hello. I'm going to swatch it on one of these. I don't think I quite, well, I managed to just cover so I'm using these really long stiletto swatch pops, and I kind of wish that I just a normal swatch pop, because you have to use so much on these, and I was like, oh god, have I put enough on? Anyway, I'm going to cover this and then I'll get back to you. Now, to be honest, I don't know how long these take to cure in an LED lamp. Probably 60 seconds, but because they look really pigmented, I'd give them a good 2 minutes in an LED lamp. And when they come out, when they heat up, look, it goes this really cute baby pink colour. How nice is that? So that's the red pink one, Sugar and Spice. The next one is Finger Snap. I'm trying to find the tube. Oh, there it is, right in front of me. So as you can tell from the tube, look at this purple. Oh yes, oh I love it. So I was like, I'm just gonna squirt it right onto the swatch pop. Also, I don't know if I did. Yes, I think I did. I scuffed the surface of the swatch pop. Otherwise, look at the colour already. Look at that purple. Isn't that is my purple. That is, yep. Oh yes. So I'm gonna let you watch me do this, and then I'll see you at the end. Oh, isn't that just delicious? I just want to lick it. So now that goes blue. So now you've got like a baby pink and a baby blue. Actually, it's not quite a baby blue, is it? But it's a really nice blue, like a sky blue. I'm just going to wipe that tacky layer off as well. And then before I do anything else, I've got my trusty espresso cup here with some cold water in. Now it's only tap cold water. It's not ice cold water. I'm going to do this in real time because I wanted you to see how quickly it goes. Because it seemed to stay, obviously it's dark in the tube. Now they seem to stay light in colour for quite some time. It didn't seem to go back to the dark colour, but it is hot here at the moment. So that pink one goes red a lot quicker than the blue one goes purple. There we go. See, now it's purple. Ta-da! So anyway, those are the two polygels they sent me. There are 4 other colours to match the Made in Colour collection. So go and check those out. So for the set, I'm going to be doing a rainbow musical set of nails. I don't think I've ever done a set of nails with anything to do with music. So I thought we would have a rainbow set of nails. So I'm using Perfect White. This is going to be our base colour. By the way, if you want to get 30% off any Madam Glam products, you can do so using my code NATMUG30. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply 1 coat of white to all of these nail tips. I'm going to cure them in the lamp for 30 seconds, which I have done right now. Now I'm going to go in with a second coat. Again, I'm just going to do all of the nails and then cure them for 30 seconds. Then I'm taking all of the colours, because we're going to have a rainbow going all the way across these nails. I'm only going to put a little bit of each colour onto my palette. So now they're on, I'm going to be using my Nail Sugar Natalie Mugridge detailer brush. This is a 000 fine detailer brush. It's got AB crystals through the handle. It's really nice, I love it. It's coming back into stock very soon. It'll be here within the next week. It should be back in stock, so don't panic. It will be here. Oh my god. So what I'm doing is I'm creating a rainbow all the way across these nails, but it's not going to be a typical arch. It's going to be like swirly rainbow, and I want to make sure that the rainbow, I made a hash there, but I do come in and neaten it up. I want to make sure that the rainbow connects with the previous nail. So I'm going to put these ones close together so that I know where to start. Do you see what I mean? Start here and end wherever we want. And you want to make sure that the red line is pretty much the same width all the way across the nails. So you see, I kind of start the next nail where the last nail finishes. Easy peasy. Yeah, just move them across. Just put your client's fingers next to each other. There we go. And once I'm happy with how that looks, I'll pop them all in the lamp to cure for 30 seconds. So that's going to be the shape of my rainbow. So now that's all cured, I am going to work on my next colour, which is the orangey colour. So that's going to go straight underneath the red. The colour's going to touch the red like that. And I'm going to go all the way across the nails, and this is what they look like. Ta-da! Then obviously the next colour is going to be the orange. No, it's not. It's going to be the yellow. Fooled ya. So yellow goes under the orange. It's because I was looking at the orange and orange just came out my mouth. So I will carry that on across the rest of the 4 nails. Now that is all cured, we're going to walk in. We're going to go with the, I was going to say bloody orange again, the green. We're going to go in with the green. Is it even Friday yet? No, it's Tuesday. I tell you what, I feel bloody knackered. Right, so that's going to go all the way across the nails. And then we're going to go in with the blue. This one was called No Hate, I think. Or was that the green? I can't even remember the names. I've got a terrible memory. I only told you about 5 minutes ago. 5. There we go. So I'm going to do that now across the other 4 nails. And then we can move on to the last colour, which is the Bend and Snap, the violety purple. So this will conclude our rainbow. So this is the easy part, in my opinion. So we'll just again follow it on. You get the gist now, right? Right, then I'm going to take some Perfect Black gel polish, and now I'm not very good at what do you call it? I'm not very good at doing freehand with gel polish, because gel polish is quite a lot more runnier than gel paint. Gel paint tends to be thicker, but I'm going to use gel polish today to draw my, I'm just going to put some music notes. Are these even notes? I don't know what you call these. Some music symbols. This one is going to be a double, hang on, let me just find out what they're called while I'm here. Music notes names, here we go. Aha, okay, so this one that I'm drawing is not on there, so that's not very good. Oh, here we go. Right, yes, so this one that I'm drawing on now is it's an 8th note, but it's a wonky 8th note. Why is there not a wonky 8th note? Now I found them and it had, or is it just called an 8th note? Don't know. No, it's not even called an 8th note because it's got a double. Anyway, this is what I'm drawing. Once it's done, as I said before, all the Madam Glam gel polish is cure in an LED lamp for 30 seconds. It was really tricky to do this. Okay, so on this nail, I am going to do one of those single lines with a dot and then a little hooky bit on the end. Hang on, look, I'm looking here. Right, I know one of them is called a treble clef. I know that for a fact. This one is called a quaver. I think it's called a quaver. Hang on, there's one. Yes, is this a quaver? I always thought that was a crisp. Or in some parts of the world it's called a chip. But in our world, chip is like a French fry, not a crisp chip. Anyway, it doesn't matter, I'm talking rubbish. So I'm just going to carry on putting some music notes on these nails, and I'm going to put them all the way across the nails, and then I will get back to you. Okay, this was actually the hardest part of the whole set. This treble clef was the hardest bit, and I did make a couple of mistakes. I think I went maybe 1 or 2. I went in with my, I'll tell you what, my cleanup brushes. I'll tell you what, it's absolute shite. I need a proper cleanup brush. You know, you just use a brush to just clean up certain areas. Mine is absolutely naff. It's not even a cleanup brush, it's just an old brush I use as a cleanup brush, but it's the worst cleanup brush in the whole wide world. Try saying that really quickly. Okay, I'll let you carry on watching. Right, that's done. Done and done. I'm just going to put a little wiggle there. I mean, it's not the neatest, but I'll tell you what, I was pretty happy with it. So I'm just going to put some more notes on these 2, and then we can have a look. Boom, here it is, all done. I'm going to use Madam Glam's base gel just to go over the whole nails, the whole set, because I want that to smooth out the nail, because where I've put the rainbow on and the music notes, I just feel like it's going to be slightly lifted in that area when I come to top coat it. So I do like to put the base gel or the base coat on, hold it upside down like this for a few seconds just to let the base gel settle, and then shove it quickly under the lamp for 30 seconds. I'm going to do that on all of them, and then I'm going to go over now with Madam Glam's No Wipe Top Gel just to finish them off. If you want to, you could go over with top coat and then buff and then top coat again, but I always worry that I'm going to go through that top coat and into the colour, so I just like to do this, just, you know, I know it's a bit of product extra that you might use up, but I don't know, I just think it looks nicer. And it's less work, you know, buffing every single nail. It's like, oh god. Well, I'm just lazy, so, you know, bit of a nail hack there, not. Okay, so when you have done, pop these, again, I'm going to hold these upside down as well. In a minute, you'll see when I stop faffing. There's probably a hair there or something. There we go. Ta-da! I'm going to hold them upside down just for a few seconds, and then I'm going to pop them into the lamp. And that is them done. I'm going to give you a quick close-up. I do like a wiggle, yeah, and show you the nails. But the next clip, not this one, the clip after this, you will see the sparkle through the rainbow a little bit better. So you can see they're not completely flat. Look, if you look at the light line, but I think they're a lot flatter than what they would be if I hadn't have done the base coat and then the top coat. Ready? This bit here. Look how shiny they are. Look at that sparkle. Oh, I love it. Anyway, if you did like this video, please leave me a like. If you haven't already, do consider subscribing. Don't forget you can get 30% off any Madam Glam products using my code NATMUG30, and I will see you beautiful lot tomorrow. Stay safe. Love you.